Good morning, guys. Welcome to Aaron's Building Garage, and I'm going to show you today what we're going to be doing this morning. It's a beautiful morning. It's blue skies. It's a little bit chilly, but that's okay. Luckily, our parts came in this weekend, and right here you can see that we have the fuel pump that came in with the gaskets, luckily, because we were a little bit afraid that they wouldn't come in with the gaskets. We also have the sending unit with all new hardware, so that's going to be good. This one's not busted like the old one, so it's going to tell us, pretty good indicator of where our fuel is. And we also decided to go with a fuel filter because why not? We're already working with fuel, we might as well make it the best of our ability. And we're also going to do something pretty cool, which I thought was pretty cool and unique. We're going to be painting this gas tank that we have. It's not your typical repair, but we already have it down and we might as well, get it going. It's gonna be a red, which, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna pop, it's gonna make everything look nice. And yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. And we're gonna show you all the steps and all that. And hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, guys. First thing we gotta do this morning is we're gonna be cleaning this gas tank. We got to scuff it up, we got to primer it, and we got to paint it. We really believe this fire red is going to make the undercarriage pop. It's going to make it look nice and sweet. It's going to make it look unique. It's going to make it look good. So we'll show you the process of how to do that. Now that we're done cleaning it and scuffing it up, we gotta apply some primer. Alright, so this is the final product. It looks extremely well, and I'm happier with it than I thought. It came out even better than I thought, and it's really going to make that bottom of that undercarriage pop. just a quick little update at where we're at. As you saw from the previous clip, we put the fuel tank and the filler neck. We're going to show you that right now. We're very proud of how it came out. It looks real nice. You know, it offsets the color. And then down here, we have the gas tank. And obviously we put the sending unit in there before we installed it. The brand new one that we had ordered. And then up front, we have already installed the fuel pump right there, which wasn't that hard. And then we have the fuel filter that we went ahead and replaced as well. And our next step is to put the alternator back on and everything back on, and hopefully start it up for y'all guys. So stay tuned. Not doing anything. All right, get everything ready. We Gucci. Come on. Do your little thing again, too. See how that goes. Hey! It starts. That's what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so we had a small victory here at ABG. I don't know if you noticed that the car was running, but it was behind all that squeaking. And we'll get that fixed, but you know, that's small stuff. We got the car running, we got the car primed, we got the car having some new gas, so that's gonna work out real nice. And hopefully on the next video we can show y'all the progress of everything that's going on. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. And until next time.